It was a great occasion, obviously, to get that goal, obviously in the 91st, 92nd minute as it is. We're looking forward now. We're coming in training on the Tuesday, and obviously everything's just looking forward to the occasion on Sunday. It's going to be a fantastic occasion. Obviously, every time that we've played Newtown, I think there's been 21 goals in the last 4 games, so it's going to be a great spectacle, obviously, for football. The Mid-Wales derby is always a massive derby for both clubs, so I'm hoping, obviously, the fans will get behind us and support us all the way and actually become the 12th man for us and just urge us into that direction of winning the game. I don't think it puts any pressure on us at all, to be honest. We know Newtown are a great team as well, and they can beat anyone on their day. They do well against TNS especially and things. So we just need to make sure that we do our own job correct, and we know if we play to our potential that we can go and win, but it's just making sure that we do all the right things. I'm going to go with a 2-1 win myself, but it will be a close game, and hopefully our team spirit will bring us through.